Yo, what's up? Welcome to my first ever video. I'm going for a short ride. Let's just grab my telephone, my Wahoo, my keys for the ride. I gotta grab some food as well because well, the oatmeal you just saw, it was really terrible tasting. I don't know why, but it was terrible. I just had like one peanut butter sandwich, but I gotta take something along for the ride. I'm doing a short loop to Loosdrecht. I think maybe like 20-30 kilometers or something like that. I did it a week ago. Really loved it. Great roads, great cycling, especially with this weather. It's beautiful outside. Might be a little bit on the hot side though, but let's see what happens. Anyway, let's go. Wanted to do a quick stop at my grandparents' house, but they are not at home, so let's just keep riding, I guess. So I guess it's just 15 kilometers from here. Did 15 already. Average pace of like 26 kilometers per hour. Had a good like 30, 31 to 35 kilometers an hour going, but couldn't keep up with that, so I'm pretty satisfied. Forgot to take the heart rate monitor with me, so I don't really know my training values, but I feel better than last ride I did here, so it's beautiful out here though. So I just got home. You might think, why is he tired after 30 kilometers of riding a bike? I'm making these vlogs because I want to get fit for next year. Hopefully I'll be fit enough to compete in a fixed gear crit race. So I'm just trying to get fit for that. And just a quick recap of the ride I just did. It was 31 kilometers from Utrecht Overvecht station, the train station, to Oud-Maarsseveen, Loosdrecht, and then back to Overvecht. It was actually a great round. When I got to the halfway point, that's actually where my grandmother and my grandfather live. I wanted to take a quick break just to see if they were at home, and they weren't, so I took a little break. Ate a banana. I didn't eat quite enough in the morning, and then in the afternoon I eat only 2 peanut butter sandwiches or something, so it wasn't really enough, but still I felt really good. And when I got on the last 10 kilometers of the ride or something like that, there was a really strong headwind, so I just couldn't keep up with the 30 to 35 kilometers an hour. Right now I actually feel great, so it's also a good thing if you're training and you feel great after a ride you did 2 weeks ago and you felt terrible, then it's a great thing. That's progress. So, and I'll share the route with you guys on Komoot, so you can do it as well. Right now I'm going to take a shower, do some groceries, and make some dinner because I am starving. My girlfriend will be home soon. This weekend I'm going to my parents' house to do some bike maintenance and take a ride with my dad. So I will see you later. Today I'm going to my parents' house to clean my bike with my dad. Maybe take it for a spin for a little bit. For now, I'm going to pack my bike and pack some other stuff because I'm already a little bit late. Alright, so I arrived in Spaarndam, where my parents live. So my dad's going to help me cleaning up my bike a little bit. And I completely forgot to tell you guys that my dad has a Instagram page here. Is it here? And he makes fixed gear bicycles, which he's trying to sell as well. And go and take a look and maybe you like something. Maybe you like some wheels. He has a lot of stuff. Alright, here we go. Put a new tire on the back wheel, cleaned the chain a little bit because that had never been done before. So now let's have some lunch and take it for a spin. So I finally got home after a huge traffic jam, but I made it, finally. So I'm going to edit this thing right here, right now. Please let me know with a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you stay up to date if I post another video. And let me know in the comments what you think about this video. So thanks for watching and see you later.